In this video, we'll walk through the process of configuring a grouping rule for alerts in the Lightstep Incident Response application. No additional setup or plugins are required. If you're assigned the administrator, manager, or responder role, you can configure your own grouping rule. Let's dive in and see it in action. In the side panel, navigate to Automation, Grouping Rules. Click Create a new rule. Enter a rule name followed by a brief description. Select whether this rule will apply to a service or a team. Or if you're an administrator, you may select all teams and services. In this example, we'll select Services and choose a service from the drop-down menu. The default time for any rule to run is 30 minutes. We'll stick to the default. Continue to the next screen and choose between field matching or conditional matching. Conditional matching is a good option for dynamic variables such as an assignee. The fields we want to use aren't dynamic, so we'll choose Field Match and select two fields, Service and Priority. After saving the rule, you will be directed to a page showing all grouping rules. Here's the rule we created. It isn't required to test the grouping rule, but it's a good idea. To test, navigate to the service selected in the rule and click Send an Alert. Add a description and choose a priority. Because we're testing a group of alerts, we'll need to send a second alert with the same priority as the previous alert. In the Alerts pane, we see the first alert listed. Open the alert and we see there is one related alert. Click the Related Alerts tab and, as expected, the second alert we created is listed. Back under the Details tab, there is an alert timeline listing the types of notifications triggered: the created alert group, the sent first alert, and the sent second alert. Watch the other videos in our Lightstep Incident Response playlist to learn more. If you aren't using Lightstep Incident Response for your business yet, read more about it and what it can do at lightstep.com/incident-response and sign up for a free trial. Or learn more about how to start using incident response by reading the extensive product documentation.